Good morning, guys. It's October 22nd, 2000. Nice morning. Here is my beloved buddies, Pishi, which unfortunately they got stuck with me. And I'm trying to do my best. Here is my laptop. Here is Tim Hortons Sanjak. So I work on the legal proceedings, searching, finding resources, but the system stripped away everything from us. 950 kilogram of belonging. They throw me out from the apartment I was living there, unlawfully, unfairly, brutally, inhuman, cruelly, and with full of humiliation, bullying. Yes, by two police officer, bailiff, with authorization of judges of the TAL, judges of Court of Quebec, with ignorance of Court of Appeal, because I didn't have money. I was banned to access justice, to suspend the eviction, which was ordered with full of dishonesty. I'm responsible, accountable for what I've done, not for malicious, vicious, manipulative, misleading action of wealthy, powerful harasser with the help of justice system, different authority, different ministry, different public servant. They put me in an impossible situation. They cause serious prejudice, which all are unlawful, unfair, inhuman, unethical. Which even in the court hearing, a few of them, I said, I'm dealing with two-legged animals, which are worse than wildest animal in the jungle. I'm not talking about pity. I'm not asking for sympathy or pity. I'm asking for fairness, accountability, transparency. I'm the one asked for reveal the truth, do meticulous investigation, civil and criminal work. And they know where I am. And believe me, they're gonna they tried label me with different malicious, unfair, untrue labels. I don't have any intention to self-harm, to harm others, not at all. I'm trying to do my best to protect my basic right, dignity, but I ended up sleeping in a car with two senior cats with serious different challenges. And I'm here most of the time in front of Tim Hortons or the library. In case if you come by for a coffee, if you see I'm here, you can say hi if you'd like. But believe me, I need your help. Every share, every comment, every compassion would amplify the voice of injustice that we've been faced, we've been experiencing. And I'm saying that I'm not an important person because what I'm saying that it might not be believable or it's hard to believe, which I'm aware of that, which it was the case for myself, my own self too. Now I'm dealing with more than 8 judges from different courts, more than 14 police officers, bailiff, syndic, legal aid, review committee of legal aid, complaint department of legal aid, different agent from the welfare office, the MESS ministry, the complaint department of ministry, different intercom company, Bravo Telecom, Rogers, UPS, different clerk of different courts, plus millionaire individual who don't care how they act maliciously, brutally, inhuman. And I'm not scared. Even I said the trespasser who came to the place that I was living, I don't scare of. I'm ready for that. If this is what they want, to leave me alone, because I've been trying for a few years and it's escalated since last year. After that unlawful, nightmare, unfair eviction. And I have proof, evidence. It's pure law. What they've done, it was unlawful. It was cruel. It was, and it was not for non-payment rent. No. It was because of the harassment I've faced with the person who said he's the manager of the building at 10:30 p.m. Which he said, if I see you are on the floor, I gonna leave you on the floor alone. Which after that, I asked the police and I found out there is a connection with this building with my previous condo building, which I was renting there also for 7 years, 8 years, has ended up here. They took everything. And now I'm dealing with mafia. And I can provide, I'm saying that it's more than 2 terabytes of evidence, multimedia evidence of different malicious reality distortion, gaslighting, intimidation, harassment, misleading, pure damn lie, framing me, setting me up for something. They try different things, but luckily, miraculously, I've survived, and my cats are also have been survived. Luckily, I'm not trying to play as a victim, but believe me, if you go through the evidence, if you go through the explanation, clarification, because they make a foggy circumstances. Like, if you see something on the surface, you don't, you cannot discover what is in deeper layer, what happened, why. But if you have a meticulous approach, sophisticated approach, which I asked even for digital forensic, which it didn't happen yet, and those who must help me based on the law, like a legal aid, welfare, different organization, authority, they ignored, trivialized, or in opposite, they helped them. They were part of malicious puzzle. I'm not accusing without any facts, evidence, and as I said, I am the one who asked for the truth be revealed, be investigated. But after a few years, after many different courts, many follow-up, many effort, under very fragile situation. I had a court hearing in the Court of Appeal while I was in the car, and I was worried about my laptop charges, because I cannot have the meeting while I'm Tim Horton, because I have a concentration problem as well. Plus that I cannot just talk like that on the court, like when I'm on the Court of Appeal with a lot of people around me, which is not it's distracting. Plus I bother them because I'm gonna talk, like I should talk also loud enough for the court. Plus that I had no other choices, and I asked for that to suspend that hearing that I didn't want it. And for me, the truth even is way more important than my death. Oh, I shouldn't say that. I hope it's not gonna be filtered. So, that's the thing. Please support us, because they have enough resources to report, to do their malicious stuff, to bury the truth, and which is attached to me and my cats, which are my emotional support, beloved one. And I'm not selfish. If I get to the point that they are suffering more by being with me, I hope I don't get to that. Have a good day. Oh, it was 11:28. Take care.